This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to Lakeview East, to a location that's close to Belmont Harbor, the 18-mile lakefront trail, and a strip of bars, restaurants, and shops along Broadway for a walk through one of the apartments at 3130 North Lakeshore Drive. I'm in apartment 2103, a studio on the top floor of the building, looking out over a great view of Belmont Harbor and Lincoln Park. A nice-sized living, dining, sleeping area here. Plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. Great wide wall of windows. There's a through-the-wall air conditioning unit. We have an efficient one-wall kitchen. Good cabinet space. It's a 4-burner electric range and a built-in microwave. Turning toward the bath, there's a walk-through closet. Bath has Art Deco black and white tile on the floor. Updated vanity with a mirrored medicine cabinet above, and a tub shower combination with a body spray attachment. Looking at the entryway, there's a wide closet with both hanging and shelving space. 3130 as a fitness center, on-site convenience store, great location. Rents that tend toward the budget-friendly end of the scale. Definitely belongs on your must-visit list when you're looking for a lakefront location. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.